Unbelievable. Yes, very nice. Very nice. The weather is nice too. Usually, sometimes snow, you know. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hi guys, welcome to Karuna Film. So now I'm going to the Ragapalli Center, the trees. Let's go. So this is the NBC studio, which is very famous. And this is the 47th Street, the Theater District. Yeah, this is the Radio City Music Hall, which is the most famous theater in New York City. So, you see the buildings over there? Oh my goodness, unbelievable. You see? Very nice. All right, let's go.
I'm just saying, it's really fucking cool.
Yeah, for this is the 48th Street. I mean, it's the 50th Street. Now they closed it. The police, they closed the street. Yeah, so many people here. A lot of people here now. Wow, very nice. Yeah, fantastic. Very nice. Embassy news are coming from here. But this year is very good. Amazing. Wow, unbelievable. A lot of people here. Unbelievable. Yeah. Okay guys, very important message. Everybody cover their mouths. I appreciate it. And wherever you go, make sure cover your nose and the mouth. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Hello, hello. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, New York City. Merry Christmas. Wishing everybody Merry Christmas. Wishing everyone Merry Christmas. La 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 li, la li, la 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 la. So good. Merry Christmas everyone.
Wird jetzt fahren?
Ich weiß gerade nicht, wo lang.
Put it back.
Oh, dude.
Let's go. Keep it clear, people.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Le portable, je l'emmène avec moi.
Merry Christmas everyone. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. Yeah, this is the 6th Avenue. You see, very nice car. So that is the Charles Bank building. Yeah, there's the, what is that? That I think looks like that is the candy. Whoa! There you go. Yeah, this is also one of the very famous spots. Looks like bomb, huh? Or candy something. And a waterfall, surrounded by the waterfall. And a lot of ponds that drop here inside the pool. Unbelievable. Wow. Very nice. It's a little bit cold here. I want to go to get cups of coffee. Where are the Starbucks right now? Let's go get some coffee. Okay, let's go to have a Starbucks coffee. Hey, how are you doing? Bye bye, man. Can I have 2 cups of coffee, please?
2 cups of coffee?
Yeah.
Two batch sugars each?
Yeah,
Anything
please.
else?
That's it.